Are you eating my shoe? Trixie, are you eating my shoe? Angel, go on. Trixie. Trixie. Get your back some. You're getting too close. You're getting too close. You're getting too close. Eat my shoe. Can you eat my shoe? Trixie. Angel, stop it. Angel. Trixie. What are you doing, Trixie? What are you doing, Trixie?